Hi, I'm Julia from Fora Soft, and today I want to talk about why some companies build products using AI effectively and others don't see any value in it. Nowadays, it feels like AI can do everything, but in reality, most people don't know how to use it correctly. Well, first thing you need to keep in mind is that AI does what you ask and it doesn't know what you really need. So, if the task is vague, the result will be vague too. To use AI effectively, you need to clearly understand what result you want to get, how it should work technically, and what constraints and limitations exist. This requires a broad technical perspective because, unfortunately, AI doesn't invent great solutions, it executes and accelerates. Second, you have to move from general to specific. So you don't just start with random tasks, you start with system level thinking. Define overall requirements, then technical requirements, then build the development plan, and only then move into specific tasks. AI works much better when it has a global context, a clear plan it can refer to when generating solutions. And finally, there are many additional tools and approaches that make a huge difference. Modular architecture, dependency injection patterns, well-defined rules, skills, and so much more. All of this helps to structure the way you interact with AI, creating more reliable results. And that's how we do it at Forasoft. Our team combines strong engineering experience with modern AI tools so that we can build products fast and in high quality. Thanks for watching.